Welcome back to Dream Space Interiors. Today we're exploring luxury container homes designed for peaceful lakeside living. Would you like to live in a container home where mornings feel quiet and peaceful like this? Living in a container house means simple space but a rich life. Imagine waking up every day with a lake right in front of you. Here, life slows down in the best way. This is the kind of home where coffee tastes better in the morning. Container living is about freedom, not limitation. You don't need a big house to live a beautiful life. Imagine stepping outside and feeling calm instantly. This is where quiet moments become luxury. Living in a container home lets nature be part of your daily routine. The lake becomes your view, not just a destination. This is a place where conversations last longer. Simple design, peaceful living. Imagine weekends that feel like vacations every time. This is the beauty of container living by the water. Container living is about choosing calm every day. Imagine nights filled with soft light and quiet laughter. This is where simple living feels luxurious. This is the beauty of living small but dreaming big. A place where the lake becomes part of your home. Container living means less noise and more peace. Thank you for watching. I hope this inspired you to imagine a simpler, more peaceful way of living.